Hello and welcome to our airbag cover installation video. Some of our dash covers have an option to use a soft vinyl airbag cover. It is your choice to use or not use this airbag cover. It's perfectly fine to leave it off. The first step is to test fit the dash cover on your dash. Make sure it is snugged up good on the original dash and that it fits properly. The next step is to take a Sharpie or some type of marker and trace out around the airbag opening where the airbag cover will go. Now remove the dash cover. Remember, no silicone is used at this point in the process. Now you will take a ruler or a straight edge and make some additional lines extending out the traced area so you'll be able to spot it and see when you place the airbag cover over the dash. Now you can remove the backing of the double stick tape on the back of the airbag cover. Make sure you have the airbag cover in the correct orientation and the correct side up. And don't stick it firmly yet, just place it on your traced area. Now with the airbag cover loosely placed in the correct spot, we are going to test fit the dash cover again to see how it lines up in the opening. As you can see in the video, this might take several tries. So just try to take your time and line it up correctly before we permanently install the airbag cover and the dash cover. Once we have the airbag cover in the correct location, we can firmly stick it with the double-sided tape by pressing down firmly on all edges. Okay, in this step we have already added the silicone adhesive to the back of the dash cover, and you can reference our other instructions for that process. And so we're ready to install the dash cover over the dash. So we're pressing everything firmly into place around the airbag cover and around the whole dash to have it ready and completed for the install. Make sure you don't get any silicone adhesive on the airbag cover on the edge and have good clearance around that opening. Okay, this is how everything should look once you've installed your airbag cover and your dash cover. Looks like we got a little bit of silicone adhesive on the outside of the dash cover, so we'll get that cleaned up before we finish the job. Thank you for watching the video. If we can help, please give us a call, 1-800-633-7090.